Have you ever paused to consider what might happen if the world's glaciers continue to melt at their current pace? It's a chilling thought, isn't it? Let's delve into this icy enigma, shall we? The world's glaciers, these colossal rivers of ice, are melting. And while the thought of a world without these frozen giants is haunting, the reality of their disappearance carries far-reaching consequences. But what causes these icy behemoths to melt? And what does this mean for our planet? The primary culprits in this icy tale of demise are none other than greenhouse gases. These gases, primarily carbon dioxide and methane, trap heat from the sun in our atmosphere. This process, known as the greenhouse effect, has been significantly amplified due to human activities, such as burning fossil fuels, deforestation, and industrial processes. This amplified greenhouse effect leads to global warming, which is the main driver of glacier melting. But the plot thickens. As these glaciers melt, they do not simply vanish into thin air. Instead, they add to the overall volume of the world's oceans. This increase in ocean volume leads to sea level rise, which poses a significant threat to coastal communities around the globe. And here is where the ripple effect begins. Rising sea levels can lead to coastal flooding, which can result in widespread damage to infrastructure, loss of land, and displacement of people. Additionally, as glaciers melt, they release fresh water into the oceans. This influx of fresh water can disrupt ocean currents, which play a crucial role in regulating the world's climate. Furthermore, glaciers act as a water storage system. They collect snow in the winter and release it as meltwater in the summer. This meltwater is a vital resource for many communities, providing the water necessary for drinking, irrigation, and hydroelectric power. As glaciers shrink, so does this crucial supply of fresh water. To sum up, the melting of the world's glaciers, driven by human-induced global warming, poses significant threats. These include rising sea levels, increased coastal flooding, disruption of ocean currents, and reduced fresh water supplies. It's a cascading series of events, each one triggering the next, potentially leading to a future that is less stable and less predictable. The future of our planet hangs in the balance. The melting of the glaciers is a stark reminder of the profound impact our actions can have on the world around us. It's a wake-up call, urging us to take action, to reduce our greenhouse gas emissions, to protect our glaciers, and ultimately, to safeguard our future.